If you really want to slap somebody, just neglect him by gestures. I don't even agree to your, I've deleted your existence from my mind. Now how do you remain peaceful otherwise? Just imagine. Just block that person from your mobile. Incorrigible offender. Cannot be corrected. It is like a disease. Fault finding, pride, offense. It's like part of his personality. Just delete him from your contact. Just live peacefully. Now that person cannot claim you are hard-hearted because we have limited time. What do? Limited time. We are busy serving.